Let us talk about the Operation Light Up Abia State project, a game changer that's illuminating not just roads, but the future of Abia State. Have you ever driven through a city at night and felt like the lights were telling you a story of progress, hope, and transformation? Well, that's exactly what's happening in Abia State right now. Welcome to Ebonyi People TV, where we bring you the latest and greatest updates from around the Southeast and compliments of the season to you all. Okay, the Operation Light Up Abia State has been the talk of the town in recent times. Now picture this, every nook and cranny of Abia State glowing with bright, functional street lights. That's the vision of Operation Light Up Abia State, a project aimed at ensuring that no corner of the state is left in darkness. As you all know, street lights isn't just about aesthetics, they're about security, development, and that undeniable vibe of progress, right? The video you're watching right now shows the road leading to the new Abia State Airport, currently under construction. Yes, a brand new airport in Abia State. Maybe one of these days we're going to take a tour of what it's looked like so far. Imagine driving down a fully lit road, heading to catch your flight at the world-class airport. It's a future that's not far off. Let's dive into the details. Light Up Abia isn't just limited to the airport road. Recently, the Ikot-Ekwene road from Bata Junction to Opobo Junction was fully completed, complete with functioning street lights, and it's not stopping there. If you've driven through the new Umuahia road in Aba or taking a trip down Oruruka road, you'll notice the transformation happening right before your eyes. These roads will connect seamlessly to the new airport, ensuring easy access for travelers and businesses alike. The dualization and expansion of these roads, this particular road that leads to the airport, isn't a new idea. It has been done by the previous administration, but it's a project that started under the previous administration. However, Governor Alex Otti is stepping up to ensure it's not just completed, but elevated to a whole new standard. The expansion will continue all the way down to Umuahia, making Abia State a hub of connectivity and convenience. Think about the ripple effect of this project. With street lights illuminating every corner, businesses thrive, security improves, and the state takes on a whole new phase. And even the airport is completed. Oh, the possibilities are just so endless. So tell me, have you driven on any of these newly lit roads? Maybe you've caught a glimpse of the changes happening in Abia State. Would love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think about Operation Light Up Abia and the upcoming airport. Abia State is on the rise and the light is shining brighter than ever. This is what we do on Ebonyi People TV. Bring the good news, the latest updates to your screens. Stay tuned to Ebonyi People TV for more updates on this transformation journey. Don't forget to always like, share, and subscribe to keep the conversation going. We'll see you in our next video.